Question number 9, Barbara Kuriger.
Mr Speaker, my question's to the Minister of Revenue and asks, what report has he received about changes which will bolster the tax rules around residential property speculation?
The Honourable Stephen Joyce.
Mr Speaker, on behalf of the Minister of Revenue, yesterday I welcomed the release of a consultation document on the proposed Bright Line test, which will require income tax to be paid on any gains from the sale of most residential property bought and sold within 2 years. The Bright Line test will help to clarify whether or not gains on the sale of residential property are taxable. Currently, when assessing whether tax should be paid on the gain from a sale, Inland Revenue relies on a seller's intent to either live in the property or sell it for a quick gain. The proposed new Bright Line test makes it clear that property buyers, including overseas buyers, who buy and sell a residential property within 2 years will be taxed on those gains.
Supplementary.
Supplementary question, Barbara Kuriger.
To the Minister, will there be any exemptions from the Bright Line test?
Honourable Stephen Joyce.
Mr Speaker, on behalf of the Minister of Revenue, while most property bought and sold within 2 years will be subject to the test, there are some exemptions. In particular, property that is a person's main home, including a main home held in trust, are exempt, as is property that is transferred after a relationship breakdown and homes that are inherited.
Mr Speaker.
Supplementary question, Barbara Kuriger.
To the Minister, how can New Zealanders have a say on these proposed changes?
Honourable Stephen Joyce.
Mr Speaker, on behalf of the Minister of Revenue, public feedback is important, and I would encourage everybody to have a look at the consultation document on the IRD website. We want to ensure that everybody pays their fair share of tax, and New Zealanders can help by participating in the process. The consultation paper proposes new definitions of residential land and main home. It also clearly identifies the dates a property is deemed bought and sold, so a seller and the IRD know if the sale falls within the Bright Line test. The closing date for submissions is the 24th of next month. Once enacted, the Bright Line test will apply to residential properties brought on or after the 1st of October this year.
Question number 10, Dr Kennedy Graham.